Hey guys, James here with Pete, and we're going to talk to you about the new MCPS. So this is a refresh of a really old model, you could say. This is one of the first projects I ever worked on at Horizon, so it's got a special meaning to me. So why don't we jump into it, Pete? You know, what's new on this?
Yeah, well, we have the new flight controller. So we have the safe system installed on it now. So for the beginner pilot, you still have the bailout feature, which is big. This was really a customer request. You know, we went out to the forum and asked people what they wanted, and everybody said a new version of the MCPX. So here it is.
Yeah, I mean, the MCPS is, you know, we have the Nano CPS, which flies really good and it's durable, but it always left a little bit to be desired, in my opinion, for the flight control. So I thought the MCPS power was always the right amount for indoors, also the size. But you know, with the new flight control where it has safe in there, panic, and also the AS3X mode has been improved, so it flies even better, in my opinion.
All right, let's go show them how it flies.
Perfect.
All right.